Hi, my name's Jo Ruxton. I'm one of the founders of the Plastic Oceans Foundation and co-producer of the documentary feature A Plastic Ocean. In my talk, I'm going to be giving a behind-the-scenes glimpse of what went on during the 8 years it took to make that film. We went around the world to 22 locations to film it. We worked on the ocean and on the ocean's edge and also on land to look at the journey that plastic takes to get into the oceans and the damage it does when it gets there. I'm really hoping that people will start to change their attitudes towards single-use plastic and start to learn about the damage it's doing, but also, most importantly, what we can do about it to make a difference. And every single one of us can do that. So I hope you come along, I hope you'll learn something, and I'm very, very open to your questions. I'll try and answer all of them.